What's up and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I have a special video to share with you. It's actually a recipe that I entered into a video recipe competition last year. And the theme for that recipe video competition was easy peasy to create a dish that only uses 6 ingredients. And I think you could use like maybe salt and pepper and oils that weren't included in that, but it was supposed to be 6 ingredients for the recipe. The dish I decided to make was inspired by a dish my grandmother used to make for me when I was younger. It's like a fettuccine alfredo pasta that she would make for me, so I did that with 6 ingredients. Didn't end up winning the competition, and in the end I didn't even place, but I wanted to share this video here on my channel because it's my recipe, and so now I want to share it with you all since it's all over. Alright, hope you enjoy watching. Hi, and welcome to my kitchen. And today we're going to be making an Alfredo pasta inspired by a dish I remember my grandmother making for me many times when I was younger. I added my own little spin to it and shrunk down the ingredient list probably to be less than what she used when she made it. If you like easy meals, this is that. So let's get cooking. First step is to prepare the ingredients. You'll need about a half pound of large shrimp seasoned with just some salt and pepper, about 4 ounces of butter cubed. You'll also need about 4 ounces of freshly grated Parmesan Reggiano, specifically because it will ensure that it melts properly into the sauce. Lastly, you'll need a cup of diced bell pepper. While prepping the ingredients, I had about 4 quarts of water coming to a boil and then salted it, not quite like the sea since there's also going to be salt in the shrimp and in the cheese. I'm using 4 ounces of a semolina fettuccine pasta. It says we have 10 minutes, but really we have about 7 and the pasta will finish in the sauce. That's why we prep the ingredients first. Now for the sauce. Start by melting the butter, and then once the butter is melted, add in the bell peppers and saute for about a minute. After, the shrimp can join the party. Once you see the shrimp beginning to turn pink but not fully yet, it's time for the action. Add in half of the Parmesan cheese and then the pasta will go right in. No need for draining because that little bit of pasta water will emulsify with the butter and cheese to create that Alfredo sauce. Mix using tongs and add in more cheese and more pasta water if needed. The last ingredient is about a teaspoon of garlic and chilies in olive oil, and that gets mixed in at the last minute. If you like spice, you can add more, but I just wanted a hint of that extra flavor. With everything timed perfectly, the pepper should be soft but still have a bite. The shrimp should look like little pink seeds, and the pasta should be al dente and saucy. Plate it up and top with some more Parmigiano Reggiano, and this recipe should serve. This brings back memories of dinner at grandma's house. You have your green peppers because you gotta have your vegetables with your dinner. You got some shrimp. The only difference is I made it the more traditional way of Alfredo, and I added in a little bit of spice. Alright, thank you for watching, and you have a blessed day. Please, if you don't mind, give this video a like if you enjoyed the recipe. If it looks like something that you could make at home, easy peasy. Also, comment below what your favorite childhood recipe is, or even an easy 6 ingredient recipe that you found or created yourself. And also, please subscribe for more recipes and all things food. Remember, cooking doesn't have to be hard, so why don't you get in the kitchen and cook something? Alright, yum yum.